In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock time jumpers here in Cookie Run Kingdom. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But in this guide specifically, we're going over how you can unlock time jumpers here in Cookie Run Kingdom, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do it step by step. Let's get right into it. First things first, obviously get loaded into Cookie Run Kingdom, and what you're going to want to do is actually select play in the bottom right corner to open up a page that looks something like this. From here, go ahead and select World Exploration, which is that very first option, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, and then select the world map in the bottom left hand corner. From here, what you need to do is actually complete Heroes Gate right here. Once you do finish it, you're going to unlock the ability to play time jumpers. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Before you guys do leave this video, make sure to have a great rest of your day. Peace.